In this video, I'll show you how to export data from Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're signed in, go to the Reports tab. This is where you can access and manage all of your Salesforce reports. Next, open the report that you want to export. For this tutorial, we'll use the Contacts report as an example, but you can choose any report you need. The process is the same for all reports. After opening the report, look near the Edit icon and click on the inverted triangle to open the Additional Options menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Export. You'll now be asked to choose your export format. Select either Formatted Export if you want to preserve the report formatting, or Details Only Export if you only need the raw data. Choose the option that best fits your requirements. Finally, click Export and Salesforce will generate and download your report. And that's how you can export data from Salesforce CRM.